Hello students, good morning. Once again, I'm here for your English class. Are you all ready? Yes? Come on then. What were we studying? Yes, we were studying plurals and we were doing the exercise of the Pansy book, right? Page number 20 we had finished. Okay? So the last words which we had done were echo. What was the last word? Echo. Right? Echo. Now what we have to pay attention is the ending letter. What is the ending letter? O. Words ending in O form their plural by adding ES. Right? Echoes. Right? The next word. What was the next word? Tray. T-R-A-Y. Tray. Now the last letter. What is the last letter? Y. It is ending in Y. But there is one more rule. If the letter is ending in Y and there is a vowel before it, we have to add S. So the answer is trays, right? You don't have to write this. We have already written down these words. If you go through your classwork copy, we are just revising the words. The last one is aircraft. A-I-R-C-R-A-F-T. Aircraft. Right? So it becomes A-I-R-C-R-A-F-T-S. Aircrafts. Right? Now we move on to page number 21. Move on to page number 21. Yes. Yes. The first word is foot. That is word number 23. What is the word number 23? Foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. What will be its plural? Double O will become double E. It becomes F-E-E-T. Feet. Now I am taking this side line and that side line will take later on. Okay. So after the foot, the next word is donkey. Right? D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Now see here, the last letter is Y. Right? And before the Y there is a vowel. So we will add S. Right? So it becomes D-O-N-K-E-Y-S. Donkeys. Next, bison. B-I-S-O-N. We have learned the rules that some words remain the same if they are singular or plural, and here the bison will be bison itself. B-I-S-O-N. Bison. Next is ox. O-X. Ox. Ox will become O-X-E-N. Oxen. Ox will become oxen. Next is potato. What is the next word? Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Potato will become ending in O. P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S. Potatoes. Right? The next word. Yes. Cliff. C-L-I-F-F. Cliff. Cliff will become cliffs. C-L-I-F-F-S. Cliffs. Next is hippo. Hippo. Hippo will become hippos. Pos. Hippos. Volcano. Volcano. Volcano will become volcanoes. 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 Valley. Next is valley. Have you written down? Yes? Okay, we'll write here valley. 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 Now see, before the Y there is a vowel, right? So it will become valleys. 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 Cuckoo. 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 Now what will cuckoo become? Cuckoos. 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 Flamingo. 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 It will become flamingos. 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 Deer. Deer will remain deer itself. Remember the rule, some words remain the same. Right? Moving on to thieves. Thief. Thief. Now thief will become thieves. Thiebes. The ending in F will become VES. Thieves. Right? Now we have the next word, that is tooth. 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 Now see here, double O will become double E. Some nouns change the full spelling, right? So it will become TEETH. Teeth. Next is louse. LOUSE. Louse will become LICE. Lice. Rhino. 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 RHINOS. Rhinos. Monkey. MONKEY. Monkey will become monkeys. 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 Zoo. ZOO. Zoo will become ZOOS. Right? So I hope all this exercise is very, very clear to all of you. Yes? Hope you all are writing with me. Are you all writing with me? Yes? Okay. Now see, valley, valleys. Cuckoo, cuckoos. Flamingo, flamingos. Flamingo is a type of bird. Deer, deer. Thief, thieves. Tooth, teeth. Louse, lice. Rhino, rhinos. Monkey, monkeys. Zoo, zoos. Right? And here we come to the end of this exercise, and now the next is fill in the blanks. Right? Shall I erase it? Are you all done? Hope you all have done this, and I am now erasing it and moving on to the next part. The next part is fill in the blanks. B part. Fill in the blanks, right? Now here, number 1. Now what you have to pay attention over here is children are playing with the. Here it is, children are playing with the dash, and in the bracket you are given balloon. Now how you have to find out the answer? You have 2 hints given over here. Children. Children, what do you mean by children? Yes, students, बच्चे, बहुत सारे बच्चे, many child together becomes children. So, children, बच्चे किससे खेल रहे हैं? बैलून्स. एक बैलून से तो बच्चे नहीं खेलेंगे ना, बच्चे बहुत सारे बैलून से खेलेंगे. और दूसरा यहाँ पे एक तो चिल्ड्रन मिला हमको, आर हमको बताता है कि हमें प्लूरल फॉर्म चाहिए. जब प्लूरल होता है तब बहुत सारे होते हैं, तब हम आर लगाते हैं. राइट? सो चिल्ड्रन आर. 2 things you got, that you have to make this word into plural, and the plural form of this word will come over here. So children are playing with the balloons, right? So balloons, BALLOONS, and here I am done, right? So this is how you have to think which form you have to write over here. What are they asking for? If it is a singular form, if it becomes like this. Now take down the next sentence. Child is playing with the. Now for example I am giving here toy. Now what is child is playing with the toy? बच्चा टॉय के साथ खेल रहा है, right? So because this is singular, here it will be singular. Okay. Now the third point. Her height is 5 dash into bracket it is foot. 5 foot and 3 and 3 inches. Right? Now see, foot height is measured in feet, so foot will become feet. Here I will write her height is 5 feet and 3 inches. Now the next one. The next one is New Delhi, Kolkata, and Chennai, Chennai are metropolitan dash, that is of India. Now see, there is not a single name, there are many names: New Delhi, Kolkata and Chennai. So the city will become cities. C-I-T-I-E-S, cities of India. Right? The next one is, okay, have you all written? Giving you some time to write. Number 5. The building has the building has 4 dash story. Now, what do you mean by story? Manzil. So, a building has 4 stories. It is ending in Y and there is a vowel before it. So, we are going to add S. S-T-O-R-E-Y-S, stories. Right? And we come to the end of the part B. Now we will move on to the part C. Now here we have to put pair of or pairs of. Put pair of or pairs of. Right? Pair matlab jodi, right? When 2 people come together, they form a pair. When 2 things come together, they form a pair. For example, socks. 2 socks, a pair of socks. Shoes, a pair of shoes. Right? So, what is written over here? Child is playing with the toy. Her height is 5 feet and 3 inches. New Delhi, Kolkata and Chennai are metropolitan cities of India. Right? Hope you have written it down. I am erasing it. Next, number 1. Now what we have to do here is, you have to choose in the correct pair. Like I have a faded, dash, and in bracket the word is given jeans. There are some words in English which remain plural only. एक पैर में jeans पहनते हो? No. दोनों पैर में पहनते हो तो आंसर हमेशा प्लूरल ही आएगा. सो माय आंसर इज JEANS. I don't have to change its form, right? Number 2. Tailors have many dash scissor, SCISSOR, right? Scissors, yes. Now see, you know what do you mean by scissor? Scissor means a कैंची, right? तो टेलर के पास बहुत सारी कैंची होती है. So tailors have many scissors. अब कैंचियाँ नहीं बोलेंगे ना हम, कैंची होती है तो कैंची will remain plural only. So it will become many scissors. Scissors itself is plural and you don't need to change its form. Next, my father has two dash for reading, right? Now the reading books. The word given is spectacles. Spectacles. चश्मे है ना. एक चश्मा भी चश्मा होता है, दो चश्मे भी चश्मे होते हैं, right? So my father has two spectacles. Spectacles दोनों आँख में लगता है. So this is plural itself. It is not singular. So here the right answer will be spectacles only. Okay. SPECTACLES. There are some words which are plural only. You don't have to change them. They are not singular. एक आँख पे चश्मा नहीं लगता है, right? चलो number 4. This one is the best dash. Now here you have the option binoculars. Binoculars पता क्या होता है? दूरबीन. ये मेरी सबसे अच्छी दूरबीन है. अब दूरबीन क्या एक आंख में लगाते हो? नहीं, दोनों आंख से लगा के देखते हैं. So binoculars itself is plural and the plural form will come over here. So best binoculars, right? Are you all writing along with me? Blue line to blue line. Neat and clean work. The last one. That is number 5. Now here, my friend purchased खरीदा, right? My friend purchased a fine dash and the answer is trousers. Trousers बहुत सारी पैंट को ट्राउजर बोलते हैं. तो फाइन क्या खरीदा? ट्राउजर्स। अ बता रहा है कि एक खरीदा, एक पैंट खरीदा। अब एक पैंट तो ट्राउजर्स है, वो तो ट्राउजर हो जाएगा, राइट? सो दिस विल बी ट्राउजर, TROUSER, trouser, right? And we come to the end of this chapter, right? So students, hope this chapter is very clear to you. I am coming to the end of this chapter where we have dealt with many types of things, many types of new rules that were taught to you in this chapter. Let's summarize it, what we have learnt, okay? Now I am erasing up this part. Now let's revise, summarize up what we have learnt in this part. That is to change a single noun into a plural noun, right? So what was the first rule? Do you remember? Yes, the first rule was to add an S. Usually we add S to make a plural of a noun. But in some cases you have to add ES. Now what are those cases where you have to add ES? When the words जब जो शब्द end होते हैं letter accordingly. Now see, if the word ends in S, that is bus, bus will become buses. Now S, double S. Class, we add ES, class, classes, glass, glasses. CH, bench, benches. SH, brush, brushes. X, box, boxes. Fox, foxes. O, mango, mangoes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Tomato, tomatoes. Right? So, S, ES. Now, what happens? Yes, Y and F और FE, ये दोनों से अक्सर क्या हो जाता है? लड़ाई हो जाती है, हमारा झगड़ा हो जाता है और हम इनको हमारे टीम में से निकाल कर हटा देते हैं। हमको नहीं चाहिए ये लोग टीम में। फिर हमको अगर ये नहीं चाहिए तो हमें कोई और मेंबर को तो शामिल करना पड़ेगा अपनी पूरी टीम कंप्लीट रखने के लिए। तो हम Y हटा के क्या लगाते हैं? By removing the Y we add IES, right? So what it becomes? CRY, cry will become CRIES. BABY, baby, baby will become BABIES, right? In this way we form the plural of Y. Now moving on to F or FE. If the words end in F or FE, we form their plural by removing the F or FE and adding VES, right? So for example, THIEF, we remove the thief, THIEVES. Instead of this we will write VES. KNIFE, knife. FE, KNIVES. And some other rules which we have learnt is when it is a Y and there is a vowel before the Y, what do? We add S. For example, KEY, key. Now this is the last word is ending in Y. Here also they are ending in Y. But here there is a B. B is a consonant. But E is a vowel. So it becomes K-E-Y-S, keys. T-O-Y, toy. T-O-Y-S, because O is a vowel, right? Same thing is with F or F-E also. And there are some nouns which change their whole spelling, right? Who are those nouns which change their whole spelling? See, food will become feed. Child will become children. So in this way they change their whole spelling, right? So these are the rules which we had learnt in this chapter, and hope this chapter is very clear to you. The chapter is noun number. Noun number means singular and plural. Okay? And we wind up with this chapter, and in the next period we will be doing the reader work. Okay, we'll do the third chapter of the reader. So read the chapter and be ready, come to know what is there in the chapter, and when we read it, we'll enjoy the chapter. Okay, bye bye for now. Complete your work, complete your copies, and tell your mummy papa to come and collect your copies also which are lying in the school. They all are checked. Okay, bye.